Hi everyone, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be making a no-bake German chocolate pie. Not a cake, but a German chocolate pie. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start this pie. Now the ingredients call for 1 10-inch graham cracker crust, pecans, Cool Whip, shredded coconut, a box of Jell-O chocolate instant pudding, and vanilla. Let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to use 1.5 cups of cold milk, 1 box of your Jell-O instant chocolate pudding, whisk this all together. And mix this together well. Chocolate pudding in a flash. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator to chill for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And we'll come back and get this in a minute. We're going to fold in about 1.5 cups of Cool Whip to the chocolate pudding. Now if you want to make your own whip topping, by all means go ahead. This is just so much easier to me. Just like that. So this is a 10-inch graham cracker crust. Let's go ahead and add our chocolate mixture into our pie shell. I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this for maybe about an hour. In a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix up 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. This no-bake German chocolate pie is so good. Two teaspoons of vanilla. Half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Let's give this a good mix. Okay, our pie with our chocolate base is out of the refrigerator. That was in for about an hour. And now let's go ahead and add our topping. That looks so good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and garnish this pie with some whole pecans. And now I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of shredded chocolate on top. and just a little bit of white. And that's all there is to this no-bake German chocolate pie. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will give this pie a try. I'm sure that you, your friends, and family will love it. I would love to take a bite of it right now, but I don't want to show up at my event with one slice missing. That would look pretty funny. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring more recipes and content like this to you. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you in the next video.